Hi everyone! Today we have a Temu haul. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a code with them. It is fav45575. You can put that on the search bar on the website or the app. It'll take you to my storefront. It'll provide you with some coupons there. So this is my last Temu haul, you guys. The tariffs have officially kicked in. I went to check out. My products are $30. The import fees were $50, so a grand total of $80, and I just couldn't justify paying for that. So this is my order that I bought before it did come in to the whole tariffs thing. I am very sad that we are losing yet another place to get affordable crafting. So I will leave a link down below to everything just in case you are still interested in putting it in your cart or not. So for $2.18, I got these because I saw It's a Deal by these and I thought they were so cute. And I'm so sad because these are such good quality. I wish I would have ordered 2 sets. I know that they said that the tariffs were going to kick in, but I just was like hopeful that they would be able to negotiate and work something out. And I want to cry. I want to cry that I didn't order all the things I really wanted before this whole thing started. So I definitely would have bought more of these if it would have been, you know, available for me to go back in and buy more. I definitely would have got more. They are little brads that are handles, so really cute. I got this like pocket tag that I thought was adorable. I love that it comes with all the little layering pieces. That was $3.13. For $1.23, I also got these really cute glittery bows. Like, how pastel and pretty are those? I'm surprised there's no blue. I thought there was supposed to be blue beads or blue bows in here as well. I guess I could have totally been wrong, but yeah, I thought it was supposed to have blue in there. So I'm kind of sad that there's no blue. You guys know I love my blue, even though my favorite color is a dark red. But yeah, no red, no blue. Interesting. This was $7.20 for 60 pieces. So these are colored little key rings. And look at how perfect that is. You have your key ring up here. You have your chain. So you could go ahead and add your little dingly and beads. And then there is a lobster clasp over here as well. So we have orange, red, black, green, a darker pink, and a lighter pink. So there's those blue and a yellow. I really like those. Those were a really good deal for those. Look, I love this. Halloween colors. I am so ready for Halloween, you guys. Okay, this was 50 grams for $2.28. Now, I have to say that in the photo, it showed like a bunch of like specialty little flat back resin pieces. And this has a ton of circles. So I was kind of surprised by that because I don't remember seeing a bunch of circles in the photo. So there was like a bunch of this stuff. So there's like a little teddy bear. There was bows. There is like a little paw, little flowers. I was expecting more of that stuff and not so much a bunch of little, oh, sorry. Sorry you couldn't see. I wasn't expecting a bunch of just round rhinestones. I thought it was going to be like all specialty little shapes because that's what it looked like in the photo. But I mean, for $2.28, it's definitely not bad, just not what I thought it was going to be. So that's going to be really interesting to like go through and figure out what all is in there. Oh, look, there is a pretty little blue butterfly. See, I thought it was going to be more stuff like that, like bows, butterflies. But yeah, that's what the 50 grams looks like. And let's see. Oh, these were cute. So $3.78. I couldn't find just gold. I don't know why. So I had to get this pack. And oh, these are way larger than what I thought they were going to be. So they are butterflies. And they also come in silver. and it's for bracelets. So you can stick your little thread through there for your bracelet and then put these in between the beads, and it came out really, really cute. I'm wondering if I can dye or paint the silver ones. That would be really fun, but absolutely love the gold ones. So for $3.75, I don't feel like that's bad at all. I feel like that's like very good price for that. This I really needed, so I'm happy I got it before the whole like tariff thing kicked in. $2.65. It is just a bead mat. So you can stick a couple of your beads up here, work right here. I love that. That way they don't roll away on my desk, because that happens all the time to me, and then they're on the floor and it's just a whole mess. So really happy I found that one. This was $6.51, and it was just a bunch of sayings. So what was on here? Happy anniversary. I thought that was a really good one. Thinking of you. So it's the word, and then up here is the corresponding shadow piece. There is a happy birthday over here, a love you, best wishes. So yeah, I thought this set was really, really great, especially if you are a card maker. That's really nice to have. $3.69. So you guys know that the whole like bows is on the rage right now, especially over at Hobby Lobby. And I don't like pink, and basically everything there is pink. So I found these. So here is a pink set, yellow, purple, green, and blue. I wish Hobby Lobby would do this. I wish that they would give us all the colors, not just pink. I would totally love these. Like, look for your bee projects. If you're doing blue, spring, this is like all spring colors. So I wish Hobby Lobby would take note and do the bows in all the colors, because I would totally go buy that up. That would make me so happy. $3.66. Stitch is my favorite Disney character, so I had to get these. I want to make myself a little bead and Pokie tool out of Stitch, so I had to get those. And then his girlfriend is Angel, who looks like him. So here's the pink, and then I don't know why there's purple. I don't remember there being a purple Stitch, so I wish they would have just done more blue. I don't know who the purple dude is, but I will figure it out, make it work, and use it anyways. That's not going to be a problem. Oh my gosh, these I'm obsessed with. This is another item I would have 100% bought another pack of. This was $3.90. Look at how gorgeous these connectors are. I am obsessed. There's black. There's blue. There is this red and pink. There is white and pink. There is just blue and white. What else? Oh, this dark blue and light blue. I'm just obsessed. I love that little noise too. I love those. I would have definitely bought another pack of those if I could have. Let's see, a couple more items here. Oh, this is a butterfly die that you can layer up. It was so pretty in the picture. This did come out smaller than what I thought it was, but I'm totally okay with that. Small is good. $1.76 for that one. So what is that? Like maybe two. Oh, let me see. I got my ruler right here. So the biggest spot is going to be, yeah, 2 1/4 for that. So really cute. I really like that die. So happy I got that one. And then to go with my Lilo and Stitch little theme here, I did get the beads. So here is Angel, who is Stitch's girlfriend, and then here is Stitchy Poo. Really cute. And then they do have different faces to the beads. I think, oh, hers are all just 3 the same, but Stitch's is different. So there he's like busting out. He's just sitting there looking cute. So yeah, Angel is just the one pose, and then the Stitch ones are in different ones. So absolutely love those. I cannot wait to make myself a Pokie tool and beadable pin. So that wraps it up, you guys. There it is, my official last Temu haul for who knows how long. I'm very sad about it, you guys. Temu was my go-to spot. I told you guys I would buy from them all the time. I bought clothes, I bought stuff for my kitchen, I bought stuff for my house, for my bathroom, for crafting. I would go on there and look first and see if it was cheaper there. I would buy it from there. So I am really, really bummed out that we can no longer afford to buy from there, because who wants to pay $50 in import fees when your product's only $30? Like, I don't. So, but like I said, my wallet will be happy. My wallet will be thanking me, because it'll be a lot fuller now that I don't have all this ability to go shopping. So, all right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.